couple of days ago, I built this beautiful animated portfolio website with this Pixar style image of my head tracking the mouse. And let me show you the rest of the website too. There's these cards sliding from left to right, about me section with text responding to scroll, services section, and then there's a project section as well. These nice sliding cards and a call to action section. Now I built all of this in about an hour, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, so you can build your own beautiful portfolio website as well. So let's jump in. So I found this website called MotionSites.ai, where you can see a lot of beautiful website designs. And what you can do on this website is you can copy the prompt to create that website. And you can just use that prompt in any AI website builder like Lovable, Hosting Horizons, Code, or Codex. Now, some of them you can use for free, where it says copy, and some of them are behind a paywall, where it says premium. For my own website, I used this prompt. So I'm going to copy it again and take you through the process. So let's do that. And then let's head over to Hosting Horizons. So here we are in Hosting Horizons. I'm just going to paste the prompt that I just copied. And then I'm going to send it. And while we wait, let me explain to you why I am using Hosting Horizons. I just really like Hosting Horizons because it's an all-in-one tool. Once the website is ready, you can just publish it, buy a domain name. You can also connect a backend via Hostinger, so you can make the contact form functional, for example. You can collect payments. It's just great to have everything in one platform. Now, let's wait for the build, and I'll come back to you when Hosting Horizons is done. So Hosting Horizons is done, and this is what we got after just one prompt. There is somewhat of a magnetic effect on this face, but it's not placed correctly. And hi, I'm Jack should be placed a bit higher as well. Then this section is already quite good. The About Me section is also quite good, but the text could be a bit bigger. Services section, there's too much space beneath the title. Projects, cards are not sliding on top of each other, and then there's no call to action section. So let's improve that. Now I'm going to improve that by going to the code base in Hosting Horizons, and then I'm going to copy all the folders, and then I'm going to go to Codex, and I'm going to explain the problem to Codex. I'm going to show it what folders we have. I'm going to show it the original prompt, and then I'm going to ask Codex to fix the problems. So let's head over to Codex. So here we are in Codex. I've already written the prompt for Codex. So what I did is I built a website with Hosting Horizons from the attached prompt. So I attached the prompt here. However, there are some issues with the build. And then I explained all the issues. I said here are all the website folders, which are the folders that I just copied in Hosting Horizons. And then I'm telling it, let me know what folders you would like the contents from. I will then share those with you so you can rewrite the code, and I'll then paste the corrected code back into Hosting Horizons. Now let's send that, and let's see what Codex does. Codex is already done, and it told me to share the contents of these folders with it. Now that's quite a lot of work, but I'm just going to take some time to do that now. All right, that's done. Now I'm just going to send it and see what Codex comes back with. Okay, Codex is done. It has rewritten the code for us for 8 different folders. Now I'm just going to open them one by one and paste it back into Hosting Horizons. Let me show you how I do that for one of the folders. Now app.jsx. So I'm going to open it in the notepad. I'm going to select all, copy, and I'm going to go to app.jsx, select all and paste. And like that, I'm going to do it for all the different folders. And when I'm done, I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm done. I pasted everything in. Now I'm just going to save it and then we can see the preview. I'm very curious. Oh, that's so much better already. Very nice. Let's open it here. And then, okay, the face is placed a little high, but the text behind the face is so much better. And then I'm going to scroll down. That's good. This text is bigger. Space here is decreased a little bit. Now let's see these. Yes, that's so nice. And then this one is also quite good already. So yeah, really nice. I'm happy. The only thing I would change is I would want to place this head a little bit lower. And of course I want to change the face, and I also want to change the text. So I'm first going to generate an image of my own head in this style in ChatGPT, and then I'm going to remove the background of that one, and I'm going to ask Hosting Horizons to replace this image with my head and to change the text that is behind the head. And then I could improve a few other things. Like I noticed that the placement of these titles isn't quite right, and these cards are maybe a little bit too big. But I think for this video, I'm not going to change that, but I am going to change this image. So let's generate an image with ChatGPT. So I'm just going to open up a new chat in ChatGPT. I'm going to take a screenshot of this face, and then I'm going to paste it back in. I'm going to upload a photo of myself. Okay, and now I'm just going to instruct it on what to do. So here's the prompt. I've also told it to make it a little glossy and exaggerate the facial features slightly, make the skin smooth and exaggerate the eyebrows slightly. Now let's send that and see what it comes back with. Okay, we are done. ChatGPT generated two options, this one and this one. I think they're both quite funny, but I like this one best. So let's use it. Let's download it, open it up in Photopea, and then I'm just going to remove the background. Okay, that's that. Now I'm going to crop it slightly. As you can see, there's still a little black outline around the head, but that's not really a problem because we're going to place it on a black background. So we're not really going to see that. Now let's export it as a PNG. 70% is fine. And let's go back into Hosting Horizons. And then I'm going to instruct it on what to do next. Okay, so I wrote this prompt, replace the image in the hero section with the attached image, make it the same size, place it a little lower than the current image, and change the text behind the head. Do not change anything else, and let's send it and let's see how it turns out. Okay, there we are. Horizons is done and we have the final result ready. So let's open it up in a new tab and let's show you what it looks like. The placement of the head is so much better, and let's go through the website one more time. Yeah, and I'm really happy with how this turned out, and also with how quick I was able to build this. Now, of course, when this would be my own website and I would really use it as my own portfolio, I would have to change all these images and change the text and change so many other things on the website. But in this video, I just wanted to show you this workflow and I wanted to build the foundation of this website. I really hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.